Vector product. Let us consider two vectors A and B having an angle theta between them. In order to explain this content, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw vector A and B and the angle theta between them. So this is my vector A and this is my vector B. This angle is theta. So if I find the vector product of vector A and vector B, then I will write vector A cross vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, sine theta times nu. You must be wondering why I'm considering a unit vector, because as you can see, this is a vector product. The reason why we call it a vector product, because when you multiply two vectors A and B, you will get a vector, and the vector has a direction, and that's why we have a nu as a unit vector. And this nu will tell us what is the direction of the product of vector A and B. Now you must be wondering, what is the direction of vector A cross B? So the direction of vector A cross B is perpendicular to this plane. So technically a line outward this plane. So to denote the outward vector, I'm using this arrow, and this is telling me that this line is a vector and that is coming out of this plane, and the name of that vector is nu. Instead of multiplying A cross B, if I reverse the multiplication as B cross A, then the direction of the product of vector A and B will be this, and that is denoted by negative vector nu. The purpose of these two vectors are simply to tell you what is the direction of overall product of two vectors A and B. Case 1. When theta is equal to 0, that simply means that the vectors are parallel. Then A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of V, sine theta 0 degree, and vector nu. Sine 0 is 0, so the overall value on the right hand side will be 0. So A cross B is equal to 0 when the vectors are parallel. Case 2. When theta is equal to 90 degree, that is the vectors are perpendicular, then A cross B is equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, sine 90 nu or unit vector nu, and sine 90 is 1. So we have A cross B is equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, unit vector nu. If you want to find the value of any of these two cases, just take the absolute value and you can easily get rid of this vector nu, because the absolute value does not have any vector. It's a scalar quantity.